So an emerald cut really to most people just looks like they'll say a rectangle. And actually instead of having little points like the princess cut, you've taken the points off. It's for people that aren't super active, because there are some angles that things could get caught when being really active, but they're also not as active as maybe people that I'd put in rounds and ovals. You'd have to be careful if you are pretty active making this choice, but you don't have to be as careful as the stones with points. You've got a couple different options for the brilliance going on, like how that stone is actually cut, that shape of stone is cut. The most common would be a step cut. So imagine stairs going into this stone. So you can get so much good angles going on, and it can really lend towards a really fresh approach. So how do we make this stone cut a more classic choice and a design? Just putting a couple side stones on there to make it that classic 3-stone ring, because that shape is so iconic and so classic anyway. A couple of extra stones on the side that also have some angles where it just flows to keep it really classic. You can make an emerald cut more alternative by setting it east-west. So traditionally, you're taking this emerald cut and you're setting it north-south. Pop it into a setting that's really classic, even if it's just a solitaire. But putting it east-west really just pushes the bounds. We haven't really seen that a lot, so you're already going to be an alternative look